It's hard for me to express how much this means to me, being invited here tonight. As you can see from the video package, my passion for jewelry comes from a deep and authentic place. It has been one of the very few constants in my life. I like to say it's part of my DNA. As a 5-year-old little girl, I looked at my dad as a towering hero imbued with strength and purpose. He'd go off to work and do secret, important things. And I'd spend my day with my mom, going to ballet class, singing around the house, painting our nails. It was easy to connect to my mom because she was who I would eventually become. Dad was a little bit more of a mystery. He connected with my brother over sports, as dads and sons do. And then one day, he came home with a bag of jewelry from New York and put it in my hand. He was sharing his secret with me. I tore through the bag, trying everything on, and then my dad asked me what I liked. It is a very empowering question to put to a little girl. What do you like? And over the years, Dad and I would talk about the changing styles that came into vogue, and through him, I would hone my taste and sensibilities. He took me to his factory in Providence and showed me the big vats of molten gold, the conveyor belts lined with workers putting pieces together at warp speed, connectors and rhinestones, posts and backings. It was a marvel. My dad was Willy Wonka. And I was so proud, and he was proud to have me with him. Those were formative years and powerful experiences with my dad, and it changed me forever. Every birthday, every Hanukkah, all I wanted was jewelry. I didn't want a gold cross pen and pencil set for my bat mitzvah. I wanted a gold shrimp ring. I can tell you where every piece of jewelry in my now vast collection comes from whom, for what occasion, which country pieces were discovered in. Jewelry tells the story of my life. I can revisit my time in the Sahara Desert by simply putting on my coral necklace and Tuareg ring. It immediately transports me in a way that even photographs cannot. When I miss my mom, the only thing that comforts me is putting on her ring, and then I feel close to her again. Jewelry, wearable art that comes from the earth, carries energy within it. It can make me feel bold, aggressive, demure, glamorous. I can be a badass from the city, a hippie chick, a queen. It helps me identify and free the many different facets of my soul. It makes me feel more like myself. It is my armor, my talisman, my comfort, my joy, my good luck charm, my weapon, my sorcery. And the magical part of it all is that it affects the viewer as much as it does the wearer. It's a shared experience. It's generous. And to me, that's the definition of beauty. So thank you to everyone in this room who has dedicated their lives to creating and sharing beauty. It is a potent balm that has the power to comfort and uplift, and that is no small thing. Thank you for bringing beauty into my life and for making this fangirl feel so welcomed in your community. Thank you.